Hello, welcome back. We shall be continuing from the previous video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install modules in Drupal 7. So you come to modules, and then here you can see already some modules that came with Drupal in our installation. So to install a module, you go to drupal.org and you search for the module that you want to install. I'll be giving you a few examples. The first module we are going to install is admin menu. So we are going to search for admin menu, press enter. So you can scroll down and here you can see there is administration menu. Press on it. So the URL basically is drupal.org/project/admin menu. So once you find this, scroll down, here are the releases. So click on view all release, click on that, and then here you can see how to install it. So we are going to hover on this, downloads, right click, copy link address, go to your Drupal site, click on install new module, install from a URL, and paste the link that you copied, then click on install. So once it is done installing, you go to enable newly added modules, scroll down, and here we have administration menu. Check it, save configuration. So after that you can see now it has taken effect. So when you hover this, you can see the drop downs now working. Then next we are going to go back again to modules. We shall install a new module. This time we are going to install a different module called module filter. So you go to project and look for module filter. Press enter. Scroll down. Check out the version for Drupal 7, which is this. Click on it, and then under downloads, right click, copy link address, go back to your modules and paste it there, and then click install. So once it's done installing, click on enable newly added modules, scroll down and look for module filter, check it, and then save configuration. So after that you can see that the module filter has taken effect, so you can filter modules based on new, administration, or core Drupal modules. That's what it actually does. So we shall scroll down and disable toolbar, turn it off, save configuration. So thereafter we can install another module called ctools. So we go back to drupal.org project and then look for ctools, scroll down, choose the version for Drupal 7, click on it. Another way of downloading is simply by downloading zip or the tar.js. So let's download that. Once the download is complete, we go back to modules, choose file, click on the downloaded module, click open, and then click install. Once it's done installing, click on enable newly added modules, and then here you can see ctools is installed. Click on it, enable it, then also enable page manager, save configuration. Another module we shall install is called views. So go back to Drupal projects and search for views. Press enter. Scroll down, click on the release for Drupal 7. So this time around we are going to try downloading the zip file. So download the zip. So once the download is complete, go back to your site, install new module, choose file, click on views, open it, click install. So once the installation is complete, enable newly added modules, scroll down, click on views, turn it on, turn views UI on, save configuration. So basically that is how we install modules in Drupal 7. To uninstall a module, you click on uninstall. You will see the modules that you're not using. You can check on it and then uninstall it. So for example, let's go back to modules, check out the recent modules. So let's turn off module filter, save configuration, and then we are back how we were. So you go to uninstall, click on module filter and uninstall. Uninstall, and there you go. That's how to uninstall a module. So let's go back here, scroll down, and we have module filter, save configuration. This is basically how to install a module in Drupal 7. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video we are going to see how we can work on the admin panel so that it's visible.